To simplify this complex fraction, we're going to use method 2 this time, where we find the least common denominator out of all of our denominators, all 4 of them, and multiply the top by that least common denominator, d plus 2 times d minus 2, and the bottom also by that least common denominator, d plus 2, d minus 2. When we multiply the top by that least common denominator, my d plus 2's will cancel out, and I will be left with 5 times d minus 2. Then I have minus because of the minus sign, and I'll have 1 times d plus 2, because my d minus 2's will cancel out. On the bottom, the same thing is going to happen, and we'll get rid of our fractions this way. So when I multiply my least common denominator to this first fraction, my d plus 2's will go away, and I'll have 3 times d minus 2, and then my minus sign, and 6 times d plus 2. Now all we need to do is just simplify. So we'll have 5d minus 10 minus d minus 2 divided by 3d minus 6 minus 6d minus 12. And if I combine like terms here, we're going to have 4d minus 12 divided by negative 3d minus 18. Now both the numerator and denominator here have a greatest common factor that we can factor out, but doing so does not help us simplify the problem at all, so this is our final solution.